Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to create text logo and slogan. So to get right into it, first I'm going to create a document, resize and click OK. Then selecting the text tool, use the Ranger Force font which I have linked in the description box below. Font size is set to 90. Then write your text logo. I'm making one up. Now go to Edit, Free Transform, or Ctrl and T to use free transform tool so that the text logo can be resized appropriately. Hold down on Shift and Alt, then drag a corner so that the size is proportionate. Once you are happy with the size, reposition it to the center and click the confirmation mark. Now I'm going to rasterize the text. Right click on the text layer and select rasterize type, which will make it easier to edit, cut and so on. Using the rectangle marquee tool, I'm going to outline the letter R, then right click and click layer by a cut. This creates a layer for the letter R. Rename the layer to R so I can identify it easily. I'm going to repeat this for the middle letter T and rename the layer to T. The last text layer I'm going to rename to S. It doesn't need to follow the layer by a cut process. Okay, I have already selected the layer S. Activate the move tool and using the left arrow key, I'm going to move it towards the T. You can check the position of the letters by disabling and enabling each layer. Then again, I'm going to repeat the steps for the letter R. This time after selecting the move tool, I'm going to use the right arrow key to move it towards the T. Great, so now coming back to the layer T, I'm going to duplicate it by using Ctrl and J. Now disable the main T layer. I'm going to use the magic wand tool and click over the T to select it. Now I'm going to quickly merge layers R, T copy and S. To do this, hold down on Ctrl and select all three layers, excluding layers T and background. Then press Ctrl and E to merge. Remaining on the merged layer, go to Select, Modify, Expand, then enter size 7 and click OK. Then to follow, go to Edit, Clear to delete content. Then go to Select, Deselect. Now I'm going to enable the original T layer, which adds a nice effect. Now we are going to add some more effects. So using the ellipse tool, I'm going to draw an oval shape. Change the fill color so it's not the same as your font color. Once the oval is drawn, drag shape layer to above the background layer. Now you can use the move tool to reposition the shape using arrow keys until it's where you want it. Then merge both of text layers by holding down on Ctrl to select both layers. Then press Ctrl and E. And now to duplicate the merged text layer by pressing Ctrl and J. And disable the R layer. Then I'm making sure the text copy layer is selected so I can use the magic wand tool to outline all the letters. To do this, hold down on Shift and click on each bit of the text. Then to expand, go to Select, Modify, Expand, then change the size to 9 and click OK. Now hold down on Ctrl and select the shape layers as well as the text copy layer. Then merge using Ctrl and E. To clear contents, go to Edit, Clear. Then select, deselect. I can now enable the R text layer. Moving on to creating some more shapes using the rectangular marquee tool. I'm going to draw a rectangle above the text logo. Once I'm happy with how the shape is looking, I'm going to clear the contents. Again, Edit, Clear. Then select, deselect. Then I'm going to repeat the steps again for a rectangle shape below the text logo. If you need to add a slogan to your logo, select the text tool and change the font size so it's smaller and type your required slogan. I'm placing mine below the text logo. Then using the move tool, reposition it to where I want it to be. Now to add bigger space between each letter, click on this A icon and change the number here. I'm going with 75. Then select the text tool again and highlight the slogan to then change the font color. I also want to change the color of the original text layer. So right click on the layer, blend in options, color overlay and choose a color and click OK. Then do the same again for the shape layer. Finally disable your background layer so it is transparent and make sure to save it in PNG format. That's the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have learned something new. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.